Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a art or picture page border in your Word document. So let's see how we can do this thing. After watching this video, you are able to design this type of border on your Microsoft Word document. So at first I am going to open a new document. So this is a blank document and I am going to type some word, some text is there. Okay, now I'm going to insert a picture border like that. So once we open the document, we just need to come on of the tab. So there is on tab, it is called design. We just need to click here and the design tab will be opened. On the right side, we'll find page borders are there. We just need to click this icon and the page borders and settings related stuff will be opened. From here, we have to choose one of the settings from the page border. So here also we need to check page border. One of the settings we need to choose like box border. Okay, then we need to add a style. So here style means whatever we style, like a straight line or something like that, but I am not going to add any of the straight line. Rather I'm going to choose some of the picture or art border, right? So definitely we need to come here art, and if we click here, then there are different options are there. We can choose any of the art, like for example like this we can use, or we can choose some other like this. Anything is fine. Okay, so from here there are different designs, so we can use any of these design. So I'm going to choose this is design like star like design, and it will look like this. Now here it is showing like color. So this is not working at all because we already choose the art, that's why it is not working. And wide also it will work. Basically it will it means basically the thickness of this border. Basically see here, if we increase, then it is increasing the thickness. Okay, and if we decrease, it is decreasing the thickness. Okay, so I'm interested to put like 10 pixel or 10 point, whatever you can say, 10 point. And then once everything is fine, then it's time to choose where you want to apply. Do you want to apply the whole document, or particular this section, or the first page only, or entire document, something like that. So and it will be looking like this. So this is the preview of this border, and once we are happy with this style or border, we can press the OK button to save it. I'm going to press OK, and then it will be like this, and that page borders window will be open. Now it will look like this. So here we see that this is the page border. We are able to create this thing, right? So this is the picture or art page border we just added. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video.